Beneficial Juggling presents Fake Throws! Learn 6 tricks in 1. Fake columns, bump, crane, yo-yo, swipe, and orbit. To learn how to juggle 2 in 1 hand, go back to my 5th video. All of these fake throw tricks that I'm about to show you take place while 2 balls are being juggled in 1 hand. Watch how I fake throw the green ball and keep it up with the blue and white ball on the outside. This is fake columns. This one's called the bump. It's another fun variation you can do. Crane is another fun one. Bring the fake throw across and drop it. Swap it for that ball right there. This trick is called yo-yo. Watch how the green ball follows the blue and white ball up and down like a yo-yo. Yo-yo looks great in a columns pattern, but there's other variations. Here we have yo-yo in a fountain pattern. See how the 2 balls that I'm juggling in 1 hand are going around in a circle while I'm following it with the green ball on top. This one's called the swipe. It's a fake throw going through a fountain pattern in 1 hand. Look at the 2 white and blue balls doing a fountain pattern in 1 hand while the green ball swipes through them from side to side. This will be combined with the yo-yo in a fountain pattern later to do the orbit. Orbit is a combination of swipe and yo-yo in a fountain pattern. Here's the yo-yo in the fountain pattern as it comes around and switches back into 3 swipes. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll gladly get back to you. In our next video, number 11, we'll be working on flat tosses and I'll teach you 4 different tricks that you can do with them. Click the link in the description. What is beneficial juggling? We're a non-profit organization founded by jugglers who feed, house, and educate youth in developing countries. We believe humans are one team on one planet, and we're working together to create a brighter future for humanity and planet Earth.